You're welcome to this special Olympia math class. So we have find the minimum value of x plus 9 over x. Now, this may look very difficult at first, but if you understand the principle behind this, it will be easier. All right, remember on the last part 1 on trying to extract this principle, I said that there are conditions you must apply. The first condition is whenever you see this question, you are seeing sum, then know that there is product inside that. Now, the sum and the product are combined in a relationship according to AM to GM rule. Now, the question is, what is AM to GM rule? The law says that if you have two real numbers which are greater than 0, it says that the sum, the average of the sum must be greater or equal to the square root of the products of the product of the numbers. So from this place, the question we are given is x plus 9 over x. So I'm going to apply the same rule. So I'm going to have x plus 9 all over x divided 2 is greater or equal to the product of x multiplied by 9 all over x. I'm sure you're seeing what I'm going to be doing there. So let's simplify the product. So we have x plus 9 all over 2, not all over 2. Let me clean up something there. So this is going to be divided by x all divided 2 is greater or equal to square root of 9. So that's going to be x plus 9 over x all divided 2 is greater or equal to 3. Now, on the next, we have x plus 9 all of x is greater or equal to 2 times 3 is going to be 6. So you see, the minimum value is going to be 6 because x plus 9 over x is going to be equal to 6, and I go on to infinity. Therefore, the minimum value is 6. So this kind of principle is used to be able to find the minimum value of two real numbers. Thank you for being part of this class. Always remember to hit the subscribe button, share this video, like and comment. Share your idea on whichever way you think would have been the best approach. Have a nice time.